Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do drumstick leaves curry. This is very healthy and will taste so good. For the recipe, pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. You have to fry the seeds until it turns slightly brown. Once it is done, add 2 to 3 dry chillies and fry them. To this add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry everything well and transfer this into a plate. Let this cool down. In the same pan, add some more oil. To this add around 6 to 7 garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger. Give a nice saute for a few minutes and then add 1 chopped onion. Saute this until the onions turn translucent. To this add 3 handful of drumstick leaves and a handful of mint leaves. Saute this and cook well until the leaves are completely cooked. Don't add any water, the leaf itself will let out some water. Once done, take a mixie jar and add the fried items. Let us grind this. To this add the sauteed leaves. Add enough water and grind this into a fine paste. This is ready. Now take another pan, pour a tablespoon of sesame oil. Here I am using Venthayam sesame oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Next let us add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida. Give a nice mix and add the grinded paste. Add a little water and the required amount of salt. Soak a lemon-sized tamarind in half a cup of water for 10 minutes, mash it, filter it and add it. Now we have to cook this in low to medium flame until it turns thick. You can see that the oil got separated. Your curry should be like this. Our drumstick leaves curry is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.